Welcome to the Hi channel. Today, let's go together to the stunning Île Bonaventure at Percé. Our adventure starts in the charming village of Percé, where we'll board a boat to embark on an unforgettable journey. First, we'll glide past the iconic Percé Rock. This colossal limestone formation, with its dramatic natural arch, stands majestically against the blue waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It's a breathtaking sight that captures the essence of the region. Next, our boat will take us around Île Bonaventure. As we circumnavigate the island, we'll be treated to views of rugged cliffs, lush forests, and hidden coves. Keep your eyes peeled for seals basking on the rocks and dolphins playing in the waves. Once we reach the island, we'll disembark and begin our hike to the Northern Gannet colonies. The trails lead us through a beautiful landscape, filled with vibrant plant life and the sounds of nature. As we get closer, we'll hear the calls of thousands of gannets. These magnificent seabirds, with their white plumage and yellow heads, put on a spectacular show as they soar and dive. Exploring the Northern Gannet colonies up close is truly special. We'll get to see their nesting behaviors and learn about their lives through informative panels along the trail. After our visit with the Gannets, we'll head back to the boat for our return trip to Percé. As we glide across the waters, we'll get one last look at the stunning Percé Rock, especially beautiful with the setting sun casting a warm glow. Thank you for joining us on this adventure to Île Bonaventure. Please continue watching for the details of this incredible journey.
In the gray section you can see on the map. In the welcome area, you have first the restaurant over here. This is where you can buy some sandwiches, some snacks, and also something to drink, because on the island there is no drinking water. So you can buy a bottle of water here, and also at the second restaurant on the Colonies side. Okay? After, if you come on this side or this side,
De ce côté-ci, la maison Bonaventure, c'est la maison historique Le Boutillier, que vous pouvez aller visiter, un garde-bac à l'intérieur pour vous accueillir. Maintenant que vous avez les toilettes qu'on retrouve dans la zone d'accueil, du même côté, là, on peut apercevoir deux petites maisons blanches derrière les
on the left, this is the only washroom
des maisons
for the welcome area. Otherwise, you will find in the trail, and when you get to the colony. For the trail, the four are open today, and all the trails bring you to the same point, the colony. The shorter and easy trail to go to the birds is the one that's called Colony. So this one is 1 hour to go, and 1 hour to come back. The beginning is going to be up there where you can see the flag. Okay? We have another one that's called Moose. This one is 1 hour 15 minutes. Also only to go. After to come back, you have the one that's called Paget. This one is 1 hour. And Chemin du Roi, 1 hour 30 minutes. For those two trails, I suggest to you to come back by those trails because there is many steps. So if you go back, you will go down instead of going up. So much easier if you go on this side. Okay? Also, when you're going to be at the colony, it's possible that the time on your phone takes 1 hour in plus because you're going to be at the same time as the New Brunswick. And just to finish, it's important to stay on the trail. Don't pick up anything because we are in a national park. Don't feed the animals. And if some people smoke, we have only 2 places that is allowed. The place at the back here and the place at the colony. So it's really important to don't smoke on the trail, especially for right now because the fire indication is very high. Okay? If you not already have the ticket, you can go up there at the boutique nature to buy ticket, and if you already have the ticket, you can come with me at the yellow rope at the back. Okay? So wish everybody a good day on the highland.